You do have to love what you do, because then it's not a job, it's a career, it's a way of life. And not only do I have this responsibility of protecting this legacy of this wonderful company, but I'm fortunate enough to show women that it can be done. You know, as long as you're willing to be persistent, you're willing to work hard, you like what you do, form networks, it can be done. So we're very committed to that, and I hope to change the industry and show that it can be done. It's a great career for a woman. It's a great paying career. We're good at it. We're good at organizing, which you need to be a good organizer to run a project. We're already a diverse company, but we want to become more diverse. At the beginning of this year, the Board of Directors passed a resolution establishing diversity and inclusion as our corporate goals. And at the same time, we established a task force, a diversity and inclusion task force. And they will help assist us in identifying those steps we need to take in order to encourage and attract more diverse candidates. So we want to go in that direction. We established a women's resource group, create an open forum. What is it we need to do? What are those obstacles we need to take out of the way to encourage more talent to our company?